Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my DIY and home decor videos. We're going to cover 5 ways to give any room a boho minimalist feel. Okay guys, before I get started, just take a couple seconds to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification down below so that you can get notified whenever I upload my weekly home decor and DIY videos. So classic boho decor is more of like a more is more aesthetic with lots of layers, lots of knickknacks, you know, every square inch of everything covered. And minimalist is the complete opposite of that. It's all about paring down to the bare essentials of what you need in your home. So how do you fuse these two together? That brings me to my tip number 1. Only bring in the items into your home that you absolutely love. You never want to walk into a store and be like, oh, this is cute, I'll buy it. You want something that you absolutely love that's going to bring that energy into your home and make you smile whenever you walk into the room. The worst mistake you can make is going to a store and picking up a piece of furniture just to fill up an empty space in your home. Don't do that. Be patient. Wait for the right furniture that fits your design, that fits your home. And I wanted to give a special thanks to my friend Celine for letting me film in her beautiful home. Number 2, plants. Everywhere. Whether it's tall plants like the palm I have behind me, or little succulents, or even little drapey plants, you need to fill your home with greenery. And if you don't trust yourself to keep plants alive, you can go for low maintenance plants like succulents. I'll leave a link below to a Pinterest post which gives you some examples of some really good low maintenance plants. Or you can get artificial plants. IKEA just added a few new ones to their collection and they're absolutely gorgeous. One thing that I absolutely want you to take away from this video, it's adding lots of greenery into your home. Besides being beautiful, plants have so many more benefits. They filter the air, they reduce noise and echo, they reduce your stress. And if you're feeling a little bit down because you're trapped inside because of COVID, just try bringing a little bit of greenery into your room. It'll really bring up your mood and it'll just make you feel like you're in your own little oasis. But in all seriousness, one person in the relationship needs to keep the plants alive. And it's not me. Okay, number 3, and this is a big one. Bring in lots of natural colors and textures into your room. This is probably like the essence of boho decor. And you can do this by adding in throw pillows made from different fabrics. Maybe they're linen, or maybe even some blankets like a warm wool blanket or a cozy little knit blanket. And keep in mind, when you're layering all of these textures, you want to keep a cohesive color theme. And I don't mean monochromatic. Not everything in your house has to be the same shade of taupe, or not every item of your decor has to be white, and your wood doesn't all have to be the same matching stain. You can get decor items that are all within the same color family, and this will give your room that variation, that visual interest, while still making it look cohesive and really well thought out. Another thing you can do is add rugs. Rugs give your room such a warm, cozy feel, and that's exactly what you want to do with boho decor. And they just pull all the furniture pieces together. One really popular decor trend right now is actually layering rugs on top of each other, and that just incorporates even more texture into your room and allows you to get more creative with your rugs. Generally for boho decor, what you see is a lot of warm, earthy tones sprinkled with some light jewel tones. That's why in boho decor you see a ton of jute, wood, macrame, rattan. Those are all natural fibers that really make your room feel nice and warm and even like a spa-like feel to it. Open shelving allows you to just effortlessly display your beautiful decor pieces, and it adds another layer of texture because you might have clay pieces on there, you might have metal pieces on there, or wood items. It just allows you to add all the more variation to your room. Okay, Number 4, lighting. Lighting is super important. You want to have nice, warm, cozy lighting, and you want to incorporate lots of different lighting fixtures or lamps in your room so that you have different sources, just diffusing that beautiful warm light. When most people think about lighting in a room, they think about different light fixtures, but I also want you to think about the actual light bulbs and the temperature of the light that it gives out. Light bulbs can come in a scale of color temperatures all the way from a really warm, like yellow orangey color to a really cool, bright, bluish white. I usually tend to hover around 3,000 to 3,500 Kelvin. I don't like to go to 4,000 or 5,000 Kelvin. It's just too bright and bluish, and it kind of takes away from the warmth that you're trying to create with your boho decor. And last but not least, my tip number 5 is to add little pops of gold or black metal into your room. This will just help draw attention and focus to certain items, and it'll actually really help bring out all the natural and warm colors that are incorporated into your boho minimalist decor. And having little pops of metal will really help to just clean up the look of your room and really bring it to a boho minimalist area, which is exactly what we want. I really hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you incorporate these tips. If you have any more tips on how to achieve a beautiful boho minimalist home, just leave them in the comments down below, and maybe I'll include them in a future video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.